Welcome back to Body Balance Bliss. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most sought-after ingredients in the skincare world, hyaluronic acid. But what exactly is it? And how can it benefit your skin and body? In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 benefits of hyaluronic acid and how you can incorporate it into your daily regimen for that radiant, youthful glow. Let's get started. First and foremost, hyaluronic acid is renowned for its unparalleled ability to hydrate the skin. This magical molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a super hydrator. When applied topically, it draws moisture from the environment and locks it into your skin, leaving your complexion feeling plump, soft, and deeply moisturized. How it works. Hyaluronic acid works by replenishing moisture in the skin, especially in areas that tend to get dry or flaky. It acts as a humectant, pulling moisture from the air to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Why it's essential. Maintaining hydration is key to healthy, glowing skin. By ensuring your skin is properly moisturized, hyaluronic acid helps prevent dryness, irritation, and flakiness. How to use. You can find hyaluronic acid in serums, moisturizers, and even some makeup products. It's best applied to damp skin, followed by a moisturizer to seal in the hydration. Benefit 2. Reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles as we age. Our skin naturally loses moisture and elasticity, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid helps combat this by plumping up the skin, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like giving your skin a drink of water, but one that leaves a visible difference. Why it works for anti-aging. By replenishing moisture, hyaluronic acid helps smooth out the skin's surface, making wrinkles less noticeable. It essentially fills in those lines, giving your skin a more youthful, vibrant appearance. Scientific insight. Studies have shown that hyaluronic acid can increase skin elasticity, which is a key factor in reducing the signs of aging. Who it's for. Hyaluronic acid is great for all skin types, including mature skin. Even if you don't have deep wrinkles, starting early can prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking fresh and plump. Benefit 3. Boosting skin elasticity. Have you ever noticed that youthful skin bounces back quickly? That's thanks to good elasticity. One of the top benefits of hyaluronic acid is its ability to boost skin elasticity, which means firmer, more resilient skin. What is skin elasticity? Skin elasticity refers to your skin's ability to stretch and then return to its original shape. As we age, our skin's ability to do this diminishes, leading to sagging and wrinkles. How hyaluronic acid helps. Hyaluronic acid helps maintain and even restore elasticity by increasing skin hydration and supporting collagen production. The result? Firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Real-life results. Many users report that after incorporating hyaluronic acid into their skincare routine, their skin feels firmer and more lifted. Benefit 4. Enhancing skin barrier function. Your skin's barrier is its first line of defense against environmental aggressors like pollution, UV rays, and harmful bacteria. A healthy barrier is crucial for maintaining skin health, and hyaluronic acid plays a key role in strengthening this barrier. What is the skin barrier? Your skin barrier is made up of lipids that help protect your skin from external damage. When your barrier is compromised, it can lead to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. How hyaluronic acid helps. By providing intense hydration and helping skin retain moisture, hyaluronic acid keeps the skin barrier strong and resilient. This not only prevents moisture loss but also helps the skin fend off potential irritants. Why you need a strong barrier. A compromised skin barrier can lead to many skin issues, including sensitivity, redness, and even acne. Strengthening your barrier with hyaluronic acid helps your skin stay balanced and healthy. Benefit 5. Smoothing skin texture. Who doesn't want smoother, softer skin? Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic ingredient for improving your skin's texture, making it feel silky soft and smooth. How it works. Because it provides intense hydration, hyaluronic acid smooths out rough patches, leaving your skin feeling soft to the touch. It helps to even out skin texture, which is particularly beneficial for those with dry or rough skin. The exfoliation link. When paired with gentle exfoliation, hyaluronic acid can make a dramatic difference in your skin's texture. By keeping your skin moisturized, it allows for better cell turnover and smoother skin. How to use it for texture. Incorporating hyaluronic acid into your routine, whether in the form of a serum or moisturizer, can give your skin a smoother, more refined texture over time. Benefit 6. Enhancing wound healing. Did you know that hyaluronic acid is a key player in wound healing? It's naturally present in the skin and plays a crucial role in repairing damage. How it helps heal. Hyaluronic acid speeds up the process of wound healing by regulating inflammation levels and signaling the body to build more blood vessels in the damaged area. Benefits beyond skincare. This makes hyaluronic acid especially beneficial for people dealing with acne scars or other skin injuries. By promoting faster healing, it reduces the risk of scarring and promotes smoother skin. Clinical studies. Studies have shown that hyaluronic acid can significantly improve the healing process of burns, cuts, and other types of wounds. Benefit 7. Providing anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to being a hydration powerhouse, hyaluronic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it an excellent choice for people with sensitive or irritated skin. How it reduces inflammation. Hyaluronic acid helps calm the skin by reducing redness and inflammation. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like rosacea, acne, and eczema. Gentle on the skin. Because it's naturally found in the body, hyaluronic acid is incredibly gentle, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Use in skincare. If you're dealing with irritation or flare-ups, incorporating a hyaluronic acid serum into your routine can help soothe and calm your skin. Benefit 8. Great for all skin types. One of the best things about hyaluronic acid is that it's suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, you can benefit from this versatile ingredient. For oily skin can still get dehydrated, and hyaluronic acid provides the perfect balance of moisture without clogging pores or making the skin greasy. For dry skin, hyaluronic acid is a game changer for dry skin, providing long-lasting hydration and preventing moisture loss throughout the day. For sensitive skin, because it's so gentle, hyaluronic acid is perfect for sensitive skin types. It helps soothe and hydrate without causing irritation. Benefit 9. Lightweight and non-greasy. Unlike some moisturizers that can feel heavy or greasy, hyaluronic acid is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. This makes it ideal for layering under other products or makeup. Why texture matters. A lightweight formula is especially beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin, as it provides hydration without clogging pores. How it feels. Hyaluronic acid serums and moisturizers typically have a gel-like texture that glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Benefit 10. Supporting overall skin health. Last but certainly not least, hyaluronic acid supports overall skin health. From hydration to wound healing, it plays a crucial role in keeping your skin balanced, hydrated, and healthy. A skin multitasker. Hyaluronic acid not only keeps your skin moisturized but also strengthens your skin barrier, improves elasticity, and promotes a smoother, more youthful complexion. Why you need it? No matter your age or skin type, hyaluronic acid offers benefits that can improve your skin's overall health and appearance. Final thoughts. By incorporating this powerhouse ingredient into your daily skincare routine, you can enjoy long-lasting hydration and healthier skin. Embrace hyaluronic acid for healthier, glowing skin. In conclusion, hyaluronic acid is truly a wonder ingredient when it comes to skincare. From providing intense hydration to improving skin elasticity and even helping with wound healing, the benefits of hyaluronic acid are vast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Body Balance Bliss for more health and beauty tips.